Hi guys, before the video starts, I just wanted to tell you something that I found while I was doing this fog light repair. A couple of months ago I was on Interstate 90 and I hit a really big pothole because there were emergency vehicles there from a vehicle that flipped over. I think it hit a pothole, blew a tire and flipped. And while I was avoiding the emergency vehicles, I hit that pothole, almost lost control of the vehicle, and my tire was destroyed. I just found out now while I was under the car, I also broke a spring. So I'm going to be doing a video on putting springs on a Mercedes E434 Matic. I'm going to be doing control arms on that. I'm going to be doing tie rod ends and lower ball joints. And I may be doing an AC compressor. I'm going to be doing a video tomorrow looking for a refrigerant leak on the air conditioning. I don't want to beat you guys in the head with asking you to subscribe, but I just want to explain to you, I got a really bad back. I had a serious spinal injury, so making these videos are hard on me and it takes me a while. And I don't make any money off of this. I'm doing it hoping to help people, but I would like to make money if I can. If you guys subscribe to my channel, it just lets YouTube know that the channel's being watched and there is an interest in it. And if I hit 10,000 viewers, I could probably start getting some income from YouTube. I would greatly appreciate that support to get to that. I love you guys. I want you to be involved in the channel. It's your channel. We do it together. So I'm asking for your support. I would greatly appreciate that. Okay, guys? I'm not loaded, man. Some of these guys on here with multi-million-dollar in cars are getting subscribers like crazy, and they don't need the money on YouTube, you know? I'm a broke-ass bastard, so I need your help. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Paul here, Paul Phillips Fix. For any new people, welcome to the channel. Hope I can give you some useful information. Got a lot of videos posted on Mercedes and GM, some Lexus, various cars. So I hope you guys find some information on here on this channel. It's helpful to you. I asked if you could, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate your support of our channel. Today I'm working on a 2001 Mercedes E430. I couldn't film the whole procedure in here because it was just too tight. I had a fog light that kept going on and off. I did repair that. I believe it's an H1 socket I ordered. I will give a link to the socket. But as you can see, both fog lights are working now. I'm going to try to get under there to show you what I used to fix this. They're great connectors. Let me show you the torch that I have. I used the Bernzomatic torch, but I got the what is it? Oh, let me show you the thing. God, I'm so old now, I forget everything. I can't remember anything. The brand. You can order this accessory set. It goes with the Bernzomatic torch. Power probe. That's what it was. It was a power probe micro torch kit. That works with the Bernzomatic. It has the same size head on it if you want to save a few bucks on the torch. These are the connectors I used. They're great. Come in all different sizes. They have a low temperature solder ring in the middle, then like a clear shrink wrap on them, shrink tube, and they have sealant, those blue stripes or the red stripes and yellow stripes. That's actually a waterproof sealant that seals it up. When you heat it, it solders and shrinks on. I think I got one a little bit too hot. It looked like a strand of wire might have been showing through on there, so I'm taking some liquid tape and putting it on there just for precautionary measures. This is a great product to have, liquid electrical tape. They have it in various different colors, but that comes in real handy, especially if you're doing probes on wires and you have to pierce the insulation. You never want to leave a wire where it's been probed or any kind of conductor exposed, because it will oxidize and you will have electrical problems down the road. Let me see if I can get in here and show you what I did. That's the new connector. I just cut the wires, peeled them back, and then used those connectors on there. And like I said, now I'm using a little dab of electric tape, liquid electric tape on there. See the black? I'm going to give that a second coat just for precautionary measures. I will include links to those connectors in the description box, and I will give you that connector, a link for that as well. Maybe I'll link some more of my other tools that I use. You guys might find them useful. I do not get paid to promote any of these. I'm just sharing things that have worked well for me, and I hope they can help you. All right, guys, very short video. Thanks for tuning in. Take good care of your cars, guys. They'll take good care of you. See you soon. Bye-bye.